Good afternoon, you all. So, today we will discuss Geography Chapter 2, Physical Features, and like that might be the name of the chapter. You know very well the name of the chapter. So, let us discuss MCQ type question answers from Chapter 2. Okay, so number one, the northernmost range of the Himalayas is known as the northernmost range of the Himalayas is known as options are given there, and you already have got the answer. So let me count one, two, three. Disclose the answer. Okay, Himadri. Perhaps you knew the answer. Next, question number two. The Kangra and Kullu Valley are located in. Okay, options are given there, and perhaps you remember. Okay, basically hill stations were located in which place? Okay, so let me begin the counting. So one, two, three. Okay, disclose the answer. Okay, Himachal Pradesh. In Himachal Pradesh, you might have gone through different places of tourist spots, right? Kangra, Kullu, Manali, and like that, many places you might have got over there. So, okay, next question. Majuli is a riverine island located in the river Majuli. Okay, I often discuss about Majuli perhaps with you in the class. So whatever, Majuli is a riverine island located in the river. Okay, last time I went to Majuli also, and I also told you about the Majuli. So perhaps you remember where is it? Okay, in which river it is? So okay, counting begins. Don't will it? One, two, three. Okay, disclose the answer. Okay, it's in Brahmaputra River in Assam. Okay, so question number four. Dudhwa National Park is located in the state of. Okay, just remember and recall and answer. One, two, three. Disclose the answer. Okay, it's in UP, Uttar Pradesh. Number five, soil containing calcareous deposit is known as okay. Perhaps you know the answer. So counting begins. One, two, three. Disclose the answer. Okay, conquer. Okay, so just remember it. Okay, the highest peak in Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat. Okay, you might have gone through the videos also. So Eastern Ghat highest peak, perhaps you know. So counting begins. One, two, three. Okay, disclose the answer. Mahendragiri. Okay, now question number seven. Jaisalmer is in. Perhaps you everybody know this answer. You might have heard about the place Jaisalmer. Okay, so counting begins. One, two, three. Disclose the answer. Okay, it's in Rajasthan. Now question number eight. Okay, merchants are found in. Okay, when you are talking about, you're studying about, I think D. Guess. Okay, you might have got this word. So okay, counting begins. One, two, three. Okay, disclose the answer. Okay, desert region. Now, question number 9. The northern part of the western coast is called the northern part of western coast. Western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain we have discussed, and northernmost part of the western coastal plain, what is it? Okay, what is that? Just think, recall, and answer. Okay, one, two, three. Okay, disclose the answer. You got the answer? Okay. Now, question number 10. The Lake Chalika lies in the state of. This is also the important question, okay? In the state of. Okay, counting begins. Perhaps you remember it very well. So, counting begins. One, two, three. Okay, disclose the answer. Okay, you got the answer. Now, question number 11. A landmass bounded by sea on three sides is referred to as. A landmass bounded by sea, that means surrounded by sea, on three sides is called. Okay, you know the answer. So counting begins. One, two, three. Disclose the answer. Okay, you knew the answer. Question number 12. Mountain range in the eastern part of India forming its boundary with Myanmar are collectively called as mountain ranges in eastern part of India. Okay, eastern part of India forming its boundary with Myanmar. Okay, that means extension बोल करके आप लोगों ने इस तरह से पढ़े होंगे. ओके, mountain ranges in the eastern part of India, forming its boundary with Myanmar. Okay, so perhaps you know the answer. Eastern. So counting begins. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, Purvanchal. That means East Purvanchal. Just I was giving you the hint. Okay. Now question number 13. The western coastal stripe south of Goa is referred to as what is it called? Okay, counting begins. 1, 2, 3. That means western coastal plains different divisions we have studied, right? Western coastal plains different divisions we have studied, and if you haven't, then you can go through the videos which I have already uploaded, and these are not lengthy, also very short videos are there, so you can get it clear over there. Okay, so okay, counting begins. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, now question number 14. Highest peak in the eastern ghat. Highest peak in the eastern ghat. Perhaps this question is the repeated one. We have already discussed this question, I think so. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, you knew this answer, I think. A narrow gap in a mountain range, providing access to the other side. That means narrow gap in a mountain range, that means a gap in between the mountain range, which is also used by people to go from one place to another place. Okay, what is it? Okay, counting begins. 1, 2, 3. Okay, pass. That means mountain pass we have discussed, right? Question number 16. 16. Which two hills are located in the southeast of Eastern Ghats? Which two hills are located in the southeast of Eastern Ghat? Eastern Ghat का southeast में कौन सा hills है? Eastern Ghat. Just remember Eastern Ghat. Okay, where is Eastern Ghat? Okay, just remember it and don't be confused. Okay, so just go through the option. Mizoram Hill, Naga Hill. Where is it? Eastern Ghat or in northern part of India? Similarly, Patkai, Manipur. Where is it? Mizo, Patkoi. Where is it? Remaining one is only one is left there. So tell me the answer. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay. Okay, that means option was very easy. Okay, question was two hills located in the southeast of Eastern Ghat. Eastern Ghat का southeast में पूछ रहे हैं ना, and all the options given over there. Okay, except one. Okay, except B options. All the options given over there, they are in the north. Okay. So 17. Longitudinal valleys lying between Lesser Himalaya and Shivalik are known as. Okay, what is it? Okay, counting begins. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, tunes. Dehradun, Kotli Dun, Patli Dun. Okay, सब कुछ पढ़े है ना. Okay, 18. In which division of the Himalayas are the famous valleys of Kashmir, Kangra and Kullu located? Okay, same repeated question, I think. Okay, so done with it. Just begin the counting. 1, 2, 3. Okay, disclose the answer. The Himachal. Okay, it's in Himachal, Himalaya. And Himachal Pradesh is also in Himachal, Himalaya. Okay, now next question number 19. What are Lesser Himalayas known as? Okay, you already know this answer. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, Himachal, Himalaya. Okay, now question number 20. Which of the following is the highest peak in India? Okay, perhaps you also know this answer too. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, begins. 1, 2, 3. Counting already began. So okay, disclose the answer. Okay, Kanchenjunga. Okay, good. Question number 21. Himalayas consist of 3 parallel ranges in its longitudinal extent. Which of the following is the name of northernmost range of the Himalaya? What is the northernmost range of the Himalaya? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Counting already started, so disclose the answer. 10. Okay, the Himadri. Okay, you knew this answer. 22. Which of the following are Yongfold Mountain? Yongfold Mountain. Okay, Yongfold Mountain. Okay, so you already know this answer. Yongfold Mountain. There is only one. Okay, so counting begins. 1, 2, 3. Okay, disclose the answer. Okay, you got the answer. Himalaya. This is the Yongfold Mountain. 23. Geologically, which of the following geographic division of India is supposed to be one of the most stable land block? Most stable and the oldest also. Question might be the oldest landmass of India. Question might be the stable land block. Okay, so you might have got the answer. So counting begins. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, Peninsula Plateau. Oldest also can be. Okay, can be the question. Which of the following physiographic division of India was formed out of accumulation in the Tethys geosyncline? Okay, Tethys geosyncline. Okay, just remember, just recall the videos where we have discussed about the Tethys Sea and the formation after the folding of the Tethys Sea due to the movement of the tectonic plate, like that, which part of India was formed, we have discussed. So okay, recall it and answer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, disclose the answer. Okay, the Himalaya. Good. Question number 25. Which of the following countries or continents was not a part of the ancient landmass of Gondwana? Okay, Angara land, Gondwana land we have discussed. Okay, so which part was not, which country, which country was not the part of the Gondwana land? Okay, just recall, just recall. Okay, so okay, counting begins. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, Europe. Okay, India was part of it. South of America also, Australia also. Okay, now question number 26. Okay, which of the following division of India has the oldest landmass? Oldest landmass. The question is just there is a little bit twist in the question, so you have already got the answer. So counting begins. 1, 2, 3. Start. Okay, not the start. Disclose the answer. Okay, Peninsula Plateau. 27. According to the theory of plate tectonics, which have been the effect of the movement of the plate? What have been the effect of the movement of the plate? Okay, according to the theory of plate tectonics, what have been the effect of the movement of the plate? प्लेट का मूवमेंट का कारण क्या होता है, यही कह रहा है. ओके, चेंज इन पोजिशन एंड साइज ऑफ कॉन्टिनेंट. Might be correct, I might be wrong. Formation of ocean basins. Okay, good, it might be correct. Evolution of the present landmass and relief in India. Evolution, what you know, that means also the change. Okay, and option D, all of the above. So it can be all of the above. Okay, whatever, just disclose the answer. Okay, all of the above ना, प्लेट का मूवमेंट के कारण ये सारा चीज़ तो होता ही है. Okay, 28. According to the theory of plate tectonics, when some plates move away from each other, which of the following is formed? Okay, convergent boundary, divergent boundary, move away. Okay, just use the logic of science. Okay, just use the logic of science. And when two plates move away from each other, then convergent or divergent? What do you think? Okay, use the logic of science and answer. 1, 2, 3. Disclose the answer. Okay, divergent. 29. According to the theory of plate tectonics, the movement of the plates result in some geological activity. Which of the following is not such a geological activity? Okay, according to theory of plate tectonics, the movement of the plate results in some geological activity. Okay, हाँ, प्लेट का मूवमेंट के कारण वोल्केनिक एक्टिविटी होता है, बोल रहा है. क्या होता है? इज इट करेक्ट? फोल्डिंग होता है, फॉल्टिंग होता है, बोल रहे होता है. यस, करेक्ट है ना. और गैल्सिएशन मीन्स आपका होता है कि ग्लेशियर फॉर्मेशन का प्रोसेस. सो यू माइट हैव गॉट द आंसर. ओके, वोल्केनिक एक्टिविटी होता है, फोल्डिंग होता है, फॉल्टिंग होता है, गैल्सिएशन नहीं होता है. ओके, आंसर gaussian. Okay, done. This much for today, and the remaining tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay, best of luck for you.